Hey everyone, it's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana again. I am here in New Orleans, just off of Earhart Boulevard. So we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We actually were contacted by the agent on this house. Has a full laundry room, all that kind of stuff. But from the exterior, it just seems like a little aged. All the windows are currently boarded up, but you know, the carpet, the flooring, everything seems fine. When we come in here, I do feel and see like a pretty large slope from left to right of the house. So I'm assuming that that's a joist issue, because from the outside I didn't see any issues with piers, but not to say that there's nothing going on there either. All the windows are currently boarded up. This home doesn't have central AC. We're working with just window units here. The bathrooms and the kitchens, nothing major going on, just a little outdated. But if you have a property you want us to help you get off of your hands for whatever reason, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill out that form, and we'll be in touch with you and see how we can help get that house, that property off of your hands, because we buy houses as is, whatever condition they come in, whatever you want to leave behind in them, leave it behind. We buy them as is with things inside of them, fast and for cash. homebuyerlouisiana.com.